副词。
Adverb.
Adverb.
就
Indicates a conclusion or resolution made on the basis of what's been mentioned previously.
Indicates a conclusion or resolution made on the basis of what's been mentioned previously.
这家咖啡馆的咖啡很不错。这家咖啡馆的咖啡很不错。
The coffee in this cafe is pretty good.
The coffee in this cafe is pretty good.
那么，我们就喝咖啡吧。那么，我们就喝咖啡吧。
Well, let's drink coffee.
Well, let's drink coffee.
这家饭店的羊肉很好吃。这家饭店的羊肉很好吃。
The mutton in this restaurant is delicious.
The mutton in this restaurant is delicious.
那么，就吃羊肉吧。那么，就吃羊肉吧。
Well, let's eat mutton.
Well, let's eat mutton.
听说这个电影很有意思。听说这个电影很有意思。
I was told this movie is fantastic.
I was told this movie is fantastic.
那我们就看这个吧。那我们就看这个吧。
Let's see this then.
Let's see this then.
今晚你准备做什么好吃的？今晚你准备做什么好吃的？
What are you planning to cook tonight?
What are you planning to cook tonight?
就做你爱吃的羊肉吧。就做你爱吃的羊肉吧。
I am thinking of mutton, your favorite.
I am thinking of mutton, your favorite.
你觉得这件衣服怎么样？你觉得这件衣服怎么样？
What do you think of this dress?
What do you think of this dress?
很漂亮。就买这件吧。很漂亮。就买这件吧。
It's beautiful. Take this one.
It's beautiful. Take this one.
你每天晚上几点睡觉？你每天晚上几点睡觉？
What time do you go to bed every night?
What time do you go to bed every night?
我每天晚上10点就睡觉了。我每天晚上10点就睡觉了。
I go to bed at 10 every night.
I go to bed at 10 every night.
你认识他吗？你认识他吗？
Do you know him?
Do you know him?
认识。我来学校的第一天就认识他了。认识。我来学校的第一天就认识他了。
Yes. I knew him from the first day I came to school.
Yes. I knew him from the first day I came to school.
请问，哪儿有银行？请问，哪儿有银行？
Excuse me. Where is the bank?
Excuse me. Where is the bank?
向前走。就在那儿。向前走。就在那儿。
Go ahead. It's there.
Go ahead. It's there.
你想在家吃还是在外面吃？你想在家吃还是在外面吃？
Do you want to eat at home or outside?
Do you want to eat at home or outside?
我不想去外面吃。我不想去外面吃。
I don't want to eat out.
I don't want to eat out.
你不想去外面吃？那我就准备晚饭。 你不想去外面吃？那我就准备晚饭。
If you don't want to eat out, then I'll prepare dinner.
If you don't want to eat out, then I'll prepare dinner.
你还好吗？你还好吗？
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
没事，吃2片药就会好了。没事，吃2片药就会好了。
It's okay. Just take 2 pills and we'll be fine.
It's okay. Just take 2 pills and we'll be fine.
你要去商店吗？你要去商店吗？
Are you going to the store?
Are you going to the store?
我很累，我不想去。我很累，我不想去。
I'm tired. I don't want to go.
I'm tired. I don't want to go.
你不想去，就在家休息吧。你不想去，就在家休息吧。
If you don't want to go, just rest at home.
If you don't want to go, just rest at home.
就
Used for emphasis, indicating that something happened early or went fast and well.
Used for emphasis, indicating that something happened early or went fast and well.
你今天几点到学校？你今天几点到学校？
What time do you arrive at school today?
What time do you arrive at school today?
我7点半就到学校了。我7点半就到学校了。
I got to school at 7:30.
I got to school at 7:30.
你家离公司远吗？你家离公司远吗？
Is your home far from the company?
Is your home far from the company?
很近，坐公共汽车，10分钟就到了。很近，坐公共汽车，10分钟就到了。
Very close. 10 minutes by bus.
Very close. 10 minutes by bus.
请问，火车站离这儿远吗？请问，火车站离这儿远吗？
Excuse me. Is the train station far from here?
Excuse me. Is the train station far from here?
不远，从这儿坐出租车，5-6分钟就到了。不远，从这儿坐出租车，5-6分钟就到了。
Not far. Take a taxi from here. 5 or 6 minutes away.
Not far. Take a taxi from here. 5 or 6 minutes away.
你已经到了吗？你已经到了吗？
Have you arrived?
Have you arrived?
再过5分钟就到你公司门口了。再过5分钟就到你公司门口了。
In 5 minutes. I will be at the door of your company.
In 5 minutes. I will be at the door of your company.
就是。
It sure is. Exactly. Just.
It sure is. Exactly. Just.
请进，这就是我的家。请进，这就是我的家。
Please come in. This is my home.
Please come in. This is my home.
你看，这就是我的学校。你看，这就是我的学校。
Look. This is my school.
Look. This is my school.
今天是3月21日。再过3天就是我妈妈的生日了。今天是3月21日。再过3天就是我妈妈的生日了。
Today is March 21st. It will be my mother's birthday in 3 days.
Today is March 21st. It will be my mother's birthday in 3 days.
你认识小张旁边那个人吗？你认识小张旁边那个人吗？
Do you know the man next to Xiao Zhang?
Do you know the man next to Xiao Zhang?
认识。他就是小张的男朋友。认识。他就是小张的男朋友。
Yes. He is Xiao Zhang's boyfriend.
Yes. He is Xiao Zhang's boyfriend.
请问，去火车站怎么走？请问，去火车站怎么走？
Excuse me. How do I get to the train station?
Excuse me. How do I get to the train station?
一直往前走就是。一直往前走就是。
Just keep going.
Just keep going.
你觉得商店里的东西怎么样？你觉得商店里的东西怎么样？
What do you think of the goods in the store?
What do you think of the goods in the store?
这儿的东西还可以，就是有点儿贵。这儿的东西还可以，就是有点儿贵。
The goods here are okay. Just a bit pricey.
The goods here are okay. Just a bit pricey.
这件衣服怎么样？这件衣服怎么样？
How about this dress?
How about this dress?
颜色还可以，就是有点儿小。颜色还可以，就是有点儿小。
The color is okay. Just a bit small.
The color is okay. Just a bit small.
谢谢观看。